was right, and today I'm going to show you how I get 0 input delay. And as you can see, I am nowhere near a low ping player, as I get 36 milliseconds on in a central server. And for the first tip, what you're going to do, this is going to be inside Device Manager. So you just want to go to Device Manager, and you want to go to Human Interface Devices. Now when you see your keyboard and mouse, if it has like a software, it's going to show up right here, and it's going to say the name of your keyboard and mouse. So for me, I put Razer Hudson Mini with the Razer Viper Mini, so it's going to show the names of it. So you just want to click on it, go to Properties, Power Management, allow the computer to turn this device off to save power. You want that unchecked, so your computer is not saving any power from your keyboard, because you want your keyboard to have the maximum power it can use. And then for the Razer Viper Mini, do the exact same thing. Alright, for the next step is also inside of Device Manager. What you want to do is you want to find System Devices, and then you want to find High Precision Event Timer. We're going to go here. For you, it's going to say Disable, but for me, since I already have it disabled, it says Enable. So what you want to do is you want to disable High Precision Event Timer. If you have it on, it just adds on to your input delay, and this also helps increase FPS also. And for the third step, what you want to do is you're going to go inside a registry editor. Make sure you run it as an administrator, or else it's not going to work. Alright, so now as you're here, I'm going to put the link, well not link, but the text in order to get to this in the description, so you can just copy and paste it. Right underneath the file, this all you got to put is computer HQ local machine software thing right here. Alright, so for the first thing you want to do is GPU priority. Make sure that's to 8, set that to 8, as you can see right there. Then priority, make sure that's 6. Scheduling category, make sure that's on high. And SFIO priority, make sure that's on high also. And as for the next tip, it is also inside of registry editor. So you want to go back into registry editor, make sure it's running as administrator. And now instead of this right here, we're gonna use this code, and that's gonna take you to this place called System Responsiveness. It's right here. Now depending on your software, for me I have a 2016 i5, so I can use 0. But if you have like a lower end PC, I would recommend you use 3. But if you have anything that's better than my PC or around the same, you can use 0. Now for the next step is something called Malwarebytes. You've probably heard of Malwarebytes. It's what most pros use to check up on their PC to make sure that there is no viruses or any kind of malware on their PC. What malware can do is it can actually hide your ping, give you more input delay and less FPS. So you want to make sure your PC has no kind of malware or any kind of virus. You can get the free trial on here. That's what I'm using right now. And all you want to do is press scan, and it's going to scan your device. Alright, as you can see, I am currently done with the Malwarebytes scan. As you see, it does not take long. It said it took 49 seconds, and it scanned 283,212 items. And this is exactly how you want it to look. Threats detected 0. You want all this to be on 0. If you have like any viruses or anything, it's going to detect it, and it should be something that's like over on this area that says remove malware, and it will go through and it will remove it for you. Alright, so for the next tip, it's inside the Windows settings. So you just want to type in game mode settings right here. As you see, I have mine on. We want to make sure this is on right here. It helps with FPS and input delay also. And now for the next step, you just want to go to graphics. It's right underneath game mode. And then you want to go to change default graphics and make sure the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on. This right here, as you can see, it tells you even reduce latency and improve performance. And I've tested with it on and off, and it actually does make a difference. And then you want to make sure that you have Fortnite right here, and that Windows to side, and put it to high performance. Do that for any game you have. As you see, I have it for Valorant also. So yeah. Now in order to set Fortnite to high performance, what you want to do, you want to press browse, go to the SSD or hard drive that you have Fortnite on. Go to program files, Epic Games, Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and then you want to find Fortnite client Win64 shipping. You want to click it and press add. I can't do that because I already have it added down there. And then on those options, I have mine set to high performance, so I get the best performance out of the game. I also do the same for Valorant, so if you play Valorant, you can do the exact same thing. And yeah, this helps right here, like running Fortnite better. Alright, this right here is something that is very important because it can help you with input delay and FPS. So for my scaling mode, I use no scaling and perform scaling on display, because I use display scaling for stretch resolution, which is like display scaling makes like your GPU has to work less, so therefore it results in lower input delay. And you just want to go to manage 3D settings, image scaling off, just copy all the settings that I use right here. Now this right here, low latency mode. Now here's what I'm saying. If you have a 20 series card or lower, turn it off. If you have a 30 series card, you can put it on or ultra. It depends on your card. But for me, I have a 2060 and I use it off, and I really don't notice a difference between the on and off. Now after you've done those right there, you're gonna go to configure sound and physics. Make sure your GPU is selected. You're gonna have it on auto recommended, but you don't want that. Make sure you have GPU selected, whatever your GPU is. Now I did a free build just to show that I really do have like very low input delay. And keep in mind, I am recording while doing this. I'm recording in 1080p on like a PC that it's not like really good. It's like mid-tier PC. So yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys like the video and that it helps some of you guys. And if you like the video, could you please like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what your PC specs are.